bit cloudy, but there's Annapurna. And that one is also over 8,000. This town must be amazing when it's not raining. Annapurna's gone again. You show your brakes?
Huh? Yeah, doesn't look good. Some oil went out here, like something's not really.
And the other one?
Compressed to the end, but still have it. But it's gone.
So the front brake doesn't work, and this is what was left from the back brake. How did you make it down?
On the bed. Oh yeah, very clever.
Really?
Yeah.
It's your lucky day, eh?
What the fuck?
Shit. Maybe you should take a car.
This is very bad. In between the brake.
Shit.
Have you been there, Beni? Beni? Yeah. It's cool.
It's cool to here, eh?
Here? To Pani. Ah. Okay.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Again, a Heino kind of day. Only downhill today. Hoi! We're back in civilization. I think it's going to be a shock when we are back on the big road with all the traffic after not seeing any traffic for 3 weeks. Jeep service. Buses. What do you prefer, here or the mountains?
Good question. It's nice in here, tropical. Feel at home.
It's warm.
The people are nice.
The trees have colors. See the bridge? Crazy. This means that the road has lots of curves or that they have snakes. I cannot read it. Welcome!
Someone told us we had to leave the country as soon as possible.
Tomorrow.
So we go by bike.
Franklin woke me up this morning way too early to tell me the bad news that from tomorrow there's the last flights leaving Nepal for at least 2 weeks, but it could be longer. So we have decided to leave tomorrow evening. And since there's no buses and everything, we're cycling now to Pokhara, 72 kilometers. And then we have a private car to Kathmandu. Like cycling fast in Austria without traffic now. I think it's quite unique that we're cycling here with no traffic. our last meters in Nepal on the bike. In Dawa. Something to celebrate.
Not celebrate. It's most of the time when I'm sad and frustrated I fuel myself with beers and chocolate. So, beer!
Cheers!
Cheers!
No address in Kathmandu. We cannot find the place. Of course. How could we miss it? Really an image we would not like to show anyone. This room. Double check the room, huh? Our last hours in Nepal. We just had the worst check-in ever. It took us 2 hours to get the bikes on the plane, and now we come in the plane, and to our surprise, oh, hi mask.
VIP.
We have VIP seats, and we're the only ones here, so.
बाजा बजाई डाँडा पाखा बेसी खन्काइदिउँला मेरो सुन्दरी लगन तिम्रो आएको छ यो जनलाई आइरातो छ मेरो सुन्दरी लकडाउन हुनु रुपियाँ महिना जाडो छ गाला चौरी परेछ चरी मर्यो सिसैको गोलीले चरी मर्यो सिसैको गोलीले माया बस्यो त्यो मिठो बोलीले माया साथैमा उडायो रेलैले